Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be speaking about obvious draws on liquidity you can find in your charts. Now I'm going to be only speaking about the obvious draws on liquidity, so it's obvious to you, you know where to find them, you know that they will definitely get liquidated. So these relative equal lows, relative equal highs, near old lows, near old highs, etc. I've made it obvious draws on liquidity so it's easy for you to take trades and have an alignment to that liquidity. Okay, so over here we've got relatively equal lows, so these lows are relatively equal, meaning that there's buyers here, and price will want to come down and take out these buyers. Okay, whilst tapping and triggering all sell orders below here, because retail think if these lows get taken that it's going to carry on going down. However, what price is likely going to do is trigger all sell stops below here before actually maybe reversing. Okay, now vice versa here. Okay, relative equal highs. Now here I've got near old lows and near old highs. So when you see prices near old low, just know that low will definitely get taken. Now I say definitely, but it's never 100%. These lows, most of the time, whenever we're near old low and we get some sort of retracement, low time frame retracement, it's good to look for entries and sells, and you'll take profit at the near old low, because price is likely just to take that low as price is near it. Okay, and same here. Okay, now let's actually just go into the charts now and see where we can find this. Now I'm not going to do anything in replay mode, I'm just going to draw your eyes to certain levels, etc. Okay, so here if you can see, we've got relative equal highs. Okay, we've got relative equal highs here, and what does price do? So we're on the 1 hour time frame. If this is your drawn liquidity, obvious drawn liquidity, you can see price starting to move up. However, we want confirmation, so you could scale down to the 15-minute, look for a market structure shift, and then buy up in to this relative equal high. Okay, so as in your take profit will be there. Okay, now another thing is here near old highs. Okay, you can see how this is an old high and price is near. Price is near here, and what does price start to do? On the low time frame, it starts to come down a little bit. Now that's the exact point you can actually start to look for buys and target this high over here. Okay, so we're near the old high. Once you starting to reverse, you can actually look for buys. Okay, and target this high, because you know definitely will get taken. Also near that is these relative equal highs here. Okay, so we've got relative equal highs over here, and price takes that too. Okay, now let's go deeper in. Let's go deeper into price, and let's see if we can see any more examples. Okay, here we've got relative equal highs. These two highs relatively equal. What does price do? Price comes and takes it. So what can you do? If you see prices near the highs, and you know that's your drawn liquidity, these relative equal highs, retracement, start to look for buys on the lower time frame with confirmation and target these highs. Okay, also if I actually draw your attention to here as well. Okay, so we had the relative equal highs, we had the relative equal highs here, we had the near old high. Now I'm going to show you near old low. Now this is an old low. What does price do? Price comes near this old low over here, Once you see it starting to reverse, you can actually start to then look for sells. Okay, so in lower time frame sells, you can even start to look for sells here, even here, and then obviously you take profit over here. Okay, so near this old low, it was near the low, it started to reverse. Then of course you can have some low time frame market structure shift or confirmation, a break structure, anything, and then you can actually look for sells over here. Okay, so and then target here, stop loss above these highs, whatever. Okay, now this can also be seen as like relative equal lows essentially. However, I like to call it a near old low, because price is near the old low, it's going to take it out. If it's near, it's most likely it's going to take it out. It's not just going to stop here and then start reversing all the way up. It's going to eventually come down. Okay, and obviously if you look at the time of day, this is 6 o'clock in New York local time, so it's late. So when you see, look, London kill zone over here, London kill zone, and even into New York kill zone, you could look for sells and taking out this low. Okay, so that could have been your drawn liquidity for that actual day. And of course that would have been maybe the previous weekly low or whatever. And yeah, And obviously I drew your attention to these relative equal highs over here. Sorry. And of course you can see that get taken too. Relative equal highs here to get taken. And believe it or not, even here, what's this? Or here, what's this? This is a near old low. Price is near. We start to reverse, fill in this fair value gap. Filling this fair value gap, we go past 50%. So we fill this fair value gap. And what does price start to do? Starts to come down. You can look for sells in here. Okay, any sells in here, go down to the lower time frame, look for a 15-minute market structure shift or 5-minute market structure shift, and yeah, that's all down to you. You have to go into your charts, you have to learn yourself, you have to look for the entries yourself, go on the lower time frame, work, market structure shift, anything. Okay, and yeah, I hope that was helpful. Just a quick little video on obvious draws on liquidity, and yeah, I hope this has opened your eyes a bit more to the markets and how they actually deliver. And make sure to check the description below. My public trading Telegram channel will be linked below, as well as my Instagram, so make sure you go follow that. And yeah, until next time, take care.